Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our daily dua, and today we're covering the dua for when you are feeling pain. The dua is to say Bismillah 3 times as you hold the place that is hurting. If you could, it's your hand or your head or your stomach. As you're holding it, you say Bismillah 3 times. Then you say A'udhu bi'izzatillahi wa qudratihi min sharri ma ajidu wa uhadir. Now this means, of course, in the name of Allah, you say that 3 times, and then you say, I seek refuge in Allah with Allah's might and power from the evil that I feel and am wary of. Now this is a very important dua, a very relevant dua, because it is often that you find yourself feeling a headache, feeling some aches around your body, feeling a stomach ache. Read this dua. This is one of the ways Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala heals people. Just like Allah heals people through conventional medicine, Allah also heals through these adhkar and these du'as. So from now on, when you're sick, when you're feeling pain, hold that place and follow the instructions the Prophet ﷺ gave. In fact, the Prophet gave these same instructions to a companion who came to him and said, Ya Rasulullah, I feel pain. And the Prophet said to him, say Bismillah 3 times as you hold where it's hurting, and then say, A'udhu bi'izzatillahi wa qudratihi min sharri ma ajidu wa uhadir. Say it, and inshallah Allah will heal you.